know, this type of approach is so important because what I see is joy. I see the students, they're really getting into it, they're competing, and they're approaching math outside of the classroom and seeing a way to make it fun. Personally, as someone who has a learning disability, but was really always very excited about computer science, engineering, those sort of things, but could never quite get the math right, I felt such a joy watching the kids interact, get it wrong, and then get it right. So something like this puts them on that confidence path, okay? It lets them know that it's approachable, it's something that they have within their grasp. And just that confidence, it goes so far for students in the classroom. So this will definitely translate to confidence when they go and sit down to take that test. And it lets them know that they can do it. Math is hard, and they can do it. And I believe YPP is giving students that skill, and those are the exact scholars that we hope to have at USF in the future. So the city of San Francisco has passed an ordinance that says that families, etc., have voted to ensure that algebra access happens for all students in this area. Now we got to figure out as a community how to fund it, how to engage it, and how to recruit students. And we invited several local faculty and teachers to witness today, and they were really excited about what they saw. They actually said, let's have a math conference and let this be the keynote. So I would like this to open up a door and to gain some exposure to Flagway and other projects like this so that we can bring more of that to the Bay Area. And so we're excited to continue learning alongside YPP.